Discovering the world. Understanding tourist information. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and exciting topic: tourist information. Whether you're planning a trip, dreaming of traveling, or just curious about the world, knowing how to use and understand tourist information is key. Let's explore what it means and how it can help you on your adventures. Tourist information refers to the valuable details and services provided to travelers to make their journey easier and more enjoyable. This includes maps, guides, recommendations for sightseeing, accommodation options, transportation details, and cultural norms of a destination. Tourist information can be found in various formats, such as brochures, websites, apps, and physical information centers located in popular travel spots. Finding reliable tourist information is crucial for a successful trip. Here are some common places to look. Tourist information centers. Physical locations often found in airports, train stations, and city centers. Official tourism websites. Websites maintained by the tourism board of a country or city. Travel guides and books. Published guides offering in-depth information on destinations. Travel apps and blogs. Digital platforms where travelers share updates and tips. Using tourist information effectively can enhance your travel experience. Here's how. 1. Plan ahead. Before your trip, research the destination to find must-visit places and activities. 2. Stay informed. Keep up to date with any travel advisories or cultural events happening during your visit. 3. Local insights. Utilize tourist information to discover local secrets and tips that only locals might know. 4. Safety first. Look for information on local laws, customs, and safety advice to ensure a trouble-free journey. Leveraging tourist information has numerous benefits. Saves time and money. Helps in finding cost-effective travel options and planning efficient itineraries. Cultural understanding. Offers insights into local customs, etiquette, and language. Enhances travel experience. By finding hidden gems and local favorites, your travel experience becomes richer and more authentic. We hope this video sheds light on the importance and utility of tourist information for travelers. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or planning your first trip, understanding how to access and use this information can significantly impact your travel experience. Safe travels, and may your adventures be full of discovery and joy. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content on English language learning.